to walk these grounds, to see these facilities, really to see in so many ways where it all began. For more than a century, it's amazing to think of it, the men and women of Langley Research Center have been leading our country into the vast unknown. And what's even more remarkable about all you've accomplished is, for one reason or another, it seemed like more than 50 years ago, we were always starting from a step behind. But thanks to the ingenuity and the innovation of men and women here at Langley Research Center, America caught up fast, and has been leading ever since. You know, there was another moment in history, too. It was 1957, a couple years before I was born. The eyes of the nation again turned to Langley when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik into orbit. The space race was on, and America was hurrying to catch up. Soon, the truth was, the Soviets would widen their lead by sending the first man into space.
Because we weren't the first in space.
Yeah, no,
they had
Soviets
Sputnik.
Yeah.
They had the first satellite. They had the first non-human animal. They had the first... Laika, yeah, Laika. They had the first human. They had the first woman. They had the first black person, a Cuban. They had the first space station.
In fact, I'm told that it was in the docking simulator in this very hangar that Neil Armstrong learned how to land on the moon. Gives me chills to think about it. You know, and it was a testament to the preparation he received here that when he was asked what it was like to walk on the lunar surface, Neil Armstrong said, "Just like Langley." That's impressive.
Staging from the lunar surface really doesn't make any sense because it's different technology to land on the moon. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere, so you'd have to develop all these technologies specifically to land on the moon because, frankly, all those things we developed for Apollo are basically gone at this point. We'd have to sort of start all over again. So that's a whole lot of money.
Oh, that's hilarious.
They closed down the sound stage.
Exactly.